Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by removing immediate obstacles. Disconnect the battery and release the clips along the wheel wells. Use an 8mm or 10mm socket to undo visible bolts and a trim tool to pry plastic retainers. This exposes the cover and reinforcement bar. Once done, inspect mounting tabs and the crash foam for hidden cracks, and note whether the bumper cover or reinforcement is damaged. The choice determines whether you repair, reinforce, or replace parts. Make sure to keep fasteners organized for reassembly. You now address structural and cosmetic repairs. Clean the damaged zone thoroughly and sand to a dull finish so adhesives bond. For small cracks, use a plastic-compatible epoxy. For larger tears, lay fiberglass mesh with resin and clamp the area to hold shape while curing. Once cured, resand progressively to smooth transitions and test fit the bumper on the car to verify fender gaps. If alignment is off, gently reshape tabs or add thin shims so the edges meet evenly and doors close without binding. You finish by priming and painting repaired areas. Apply a primer, block sand smooth, then spray 2 to 3 light coats of matched color, allowing flash time between coats. Once dry, reassemble the bumper in reverse order, torquing fasteners to spec and reconnecting sensors and fog lights. After installation, inspect gaps and run a short test drive to confirm no rubbing or vibration. If you still see misalignment, re-examine bent tabs or broken brackets and replace them. This single correction usually.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.